Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up our health planners for the next week in August. And I've got this washi tape here ready to go, as well as this foam memo printer that I use for my stat stickers, and the sticker sheet of pre-pulled stickers that I got out of these sticker books. And this is the second week of the August Plannable Challenge, and this week's theme is Coppertone Tan. So if you'd like to participate, go ahead and post your spreads up on Instagram using the hashtag PlannableAugust2021. We'd love to see what you come up with. Okay, so this week I decided to do something that I really don't like to do, which is to go into my wrong sticker books. I'm just not into the dolls look that much. I picked up these two on clearance and pulled these stickers directly from there. So everything on the sticker sheet came from one of those wrong sticker books. So I don't know, I found a sticker there that says live in the sunshine with a girl in a bathing suit, and I thought, okay, she's pretty tan. We'll just build off of that and use that sticker as a color scheme. I also really wanted to pull in some copper accents, but I went through a lot of my sticker books and could not find a lot of copper. So that was kind of disappointing because I was really hoping to do more of a coppery style spread, but I just really didn't have the stickers to support it. So a little bit of a scrounge out on this one. But anyway, pulling those kind of pink, orange, and yellow tones from sticker, I just built out a sort of gradient style spread using color mostly, and then am currently just laying things out like I have them on the spread, where each day is a color to kind of create that gradient effect across the spread. So I have that laid in. I just fixed one of the headers that I pulled in the wrong color and then pulled the right color, but I had to make an adjustment because the text was in rainbow and I really didn't want that to be added in there. So I just did that, and then the rest is just set up for my food log. I just did a nice color strip there for each of my food log days, and then put in a little box from the wrong seasonal mini sticker book for the total calories area. That little box came from that sticker book. I just opened up my wellness planning sticker book and put in a quote along the middle. That's probably all I'm going to really grab from there, other than maybe my habit trackers. I put in some washi tape as well, just to kind of highlight that area a little bit. There are some copper flecks, or maybe gold. It's a little bit hard to tell, but there is some metallic sheen in the washi tape I pulled because I did want to pull in a little hint of metallic copper feels where I could. And in this sticker book, the wellness planning sticker book that I'm in now, I'm pulling my habit trackers using the ones with the gold foil overlay. Although the gold is pretty dark, so I kind of feel like it leans more towards copper. So we're just gonna pretend and put those guys in there in the same color schemes that I have there already on the spread. And then I'm going to try to reuse this weekly sticker from one of those habit trackers and kind of nestle it in with this goal sticker I just pulled out of the Year to Shine sticker book. The Year to Shine sticker book has a lot of copper, and I really thought that I was going to be able to find what I needed from here, but just the colors were tended to steer more towards the blue and the green with the coppers I had left. So I'm just scrounging again here, trying to figure out if I want to add in more copper from this book, what I can find. But yeah, it's a little bit of a stretch. I also had thought maybe I would pull in the florals that I have left over in this book that are copper, but I just didn't feel like it fit with the theme, so we're just gonna keep it light on the copper, I guess. I'm also cutting down this sticker here that was from the wrong seasonal mini sticker book, just so it fits a little bit better in the sidebar there. That worked out pretty good. There was a lot of extra space in there, so it wasn't too hard to shrink in. So now I'm getting ready to pull in my stat stickers, and I'm just getting that all set up now. I had already pre-created the stat stickers, but when I saw them next to the spread, I knew they were going to be too dark. So I decided to print a lighter version of one of the templates that I have, just so that it wasn't so commanding on the eye when you put it down on the spread. So it blended a little bit better into the background. Went ahead and did that, and I'll just save the ones I pre-printed for another time. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start moving things over. This spread went pretty fast because I pre-pulled those stickers. I'm not in love with the spread, I will say that, but I don't hate it. It just didn't feel like I was really getting into the Coppertone theme as much as I really wanted to, which, you know, it's just a limitation of the stickers that I currently have on hand. Sometimes that happens. You just got to do your best with what you have and, you know, make it work for you. So just laying that washi tape there across the middle area there, my goals section. And trying to align it well with those holes. It's going to be a little bit tricky there next to the spine. I didn't really account for that being right there directly on the holes. So let's do a little bit of trimming. And I really wanted it to feel like it went across the spine, so I'm trying to make it so that the washi tape looks like fluid through the spine and connecting to the other side. And just going to close off these guys here on the edge. Okay. And then just finish out the rounded part of those holes so that I can make sure it's nice and clean to go into my planner. Moving over the food log colored bars now, and again, just picking a color per day. And then using these smaller stickers here, track my total calories. I'll probably write next to them total calories there in that little empty space below the bar sticker when I actually write things in. And now I'm going to go ahead and prepare the stat stickers. I always take them off the backing before I cut them because they are really hard to remove from the backing, at least the clear sticker is. If you don't, it will really just like be impossible to remove from the backing. So just a tip, if you get yourself a foam memo printer, do remove it from the backing before cutting it down and cutting off the little lip that you're kind of given on the label sheet before you do that, because it will save you a lot of time and frustration. And I'm going to go ahead and white out the lines here in the goal section, just so again it's a little bit more seamless for that quote I've pulled. I'm going to trim out a little bit of the excess sticker so it's a little cleaner looking and lay that in. I love to cut down quotes. It really just gives you lots more options, especially clear quotes in particular. It just gives you so many more options as far as how you can lay them on the spread, and you can make it fit your design. I'm trimming out the rest of these stat stickers now, just again kind of cleaning up the excess sticker, and then I'll lay those guys in. You just need to lay in pretty much the stickers here on the right hand side. And Saturday's my rest day, that's why I put that box sticker there. And then I'll track my workouts there at the top, food log and near the bottom, and then those stats. So basically I just need to lay in this quote, and once I'm done with that, you guys, we will be done, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye!